Do you struggle to get brightly colored buttercream or chocolate ganache like my beautiful orange chocolate ganache? Watch this short video and I will show you how to get vibrantly colored chocolate ganache. Here I'm using the Color Mill brand, which is a type of food coloring that is specially designed for chocolate. Chocolate and certain buttercreams like Swiss meringue buttercream have high fat content. If you use your regular gel food coloring, it will not mix properly and you will not get vibrant color. So the secret to getting very nicely brightly colored ganache is to use the correct type of coloring. Use one that is specially suited for chocolate, like Color Mill, or you can find whatever brand is available near you. Another tip I like to share is that you don't have to buy all the colors of the rainbow. If you use simple color theory, you might remember that if you add red and yellow together, that gives you orange. So you don't have to buy orange food coloring if you're not going to use it so often. So I start off by adding few drops each time of red food coloring, mixing it until I get to the desired color. Now I'm going to add the yellow food coloring and I'm going to mix it until I get a good coloring. Another secret to getting deep, vibrant color is the element of time. It takes a while for the colors to fully develop. So don't be alarmed if when you're mixing things up, you are not getting the desired consistency. Sometimes you might have to leave things to develop over a few hours, or sometimes if you want to get particularly bright color, you might need to leave it to develop overnight. So this is how I get my ganache very brightly colored. So don't forget to save this video for next time that you need it, and do share it with any of your baking friends who might find these useful. And one more thing, have you subscribed to my channel? If you haven't, can I ask you to please hit the subscribe button? That big flashing arrow is showing you where to hit. It helps support my channel and you get lots of great tips on how to bake, easy cake recipes, cake tutorials for beginners and lots more. So it is really worthwhile subscribing to Dr. Mommy Cake's channel. So here you can start to see that my ganache is starting to look more and more orange. And eventually, with mixing and a bit of time, you can see the final result here. Thank you for watching and don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like if you found this video useful, and if you got any questions, pop it in the comment section. See you next time and happy baking.